Beside the point, irrelevant 1. Your excuse for not giving me your homework on Monday is beside the point. It was due the Friday before. 2. Her argument that she needed a new dress for the dance was beside the point. We simply couldn't afford one. 3. The judge decided that the lawyer's argument was beside the point, and told the jury to disregard it. This idiom stems from the idea of being separate from, or not part of, the main idea, the point. Bet, one's, boots, to be sure 1. Paula's never late. If she said she would be here at 9 o'clock, you can bet your boots she will be. 2. I'll bet my boots that the salesman will try to get us to buy a more expensive car. They always do. Synonym, bet, one's, bottom dollar. Whereas bet one's bottom dollar can be used in both the affirmative and negative, bet one's boots is used only in the affirmative. Bet, one's, bottom dollar, to be sure 1. I know you think you're going to get that job, but don't bet your bottom dollar on it. 2. I'm sure they'll be married before the end of the year. I'd bet my bottom dollar on it. Synonym, bet, one's, boots. Whereas bet one's boots is used only in the affirmative, bet one's bottom dollar can be used in both the affirmative and the negative.